locations impacted include Stillwater, Morrison, Glencoe. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for north central Cleveland County and central Oklahoma until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Up to an additional inch is expected with these storms. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southern Oklahoma City, southwestern Norman, Moore, and Noble. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 109 and 115. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.